Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownie lava cake. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need half a cup of unsalted butter, 4 ounces of good quality chocolate, 2 large eggs, and half a cup of sugar. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare 2 6-ounce ramekins by greasing and dusting them with cocoa powder. Now, let's get melting and mixing. In a microwave-safe bowl or over a double boiler, melt your half cup of butter with the 4 ounces of chocolate until completely smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk the 2 large eggs with the half cup of sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, gently fold the melted chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake these delicious treats. Carefully divide the brownie lava cake batter evenly between your 2 prepared 6-ounce ramekins. Place them on a baking sheet and bake in your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center should still be wonderfully gooey. Let them cool for just a few minutes before carefully inverting them onto serving plates. To truly elevate your brownie lava cake, consider some delightful customizations. A scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream or a handful of fresh raspberries or strawberries makes a fantastic addition. You can also drizzle a rich caramel or extra chocolate sauce over the top for an even more indulgent experience. These cakes are best enjoyed warm, right after baking, to savor that molten center. For other great deals, including a fresh scent for your car, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.